Hello everyone, this is lesson number 20, HSK2, and I think it's part 10 in your books. And let's continue to learn new words. And let's repeat from last lesson. First one, 西瓜 watermelon, 鸡蛋 chicken egg, 手机 cell phone, 准备 to prepare. Amuse oneself. So just maybe it's not to play, just to have a fun time. And new word, it's cool, lesson, cool. Let's see. I have 3 lessons today. 我今天有3节课. As you can see, here is new word, 节. It has a lot of translation, but here is just classifier for lessons. Let's see. You can say 3个课 or 3节课. 我今天有3节课. I today have 3 lessons. So pretty simple. Next one. After class, I go to the library. 课后我去图书馆. 课后. After class, I go to the library. After. 课后我去图书馆. Also, one new word. 图书馆 is library. 图书馆. 课后 after, so after lesson after. 课后我去 I go to 图书馆 the library. So 课后我去图书馆 I go to the class, to library after class. Next one. This lesson is hard. I don't understand. 这节课很难，我不懂。This lesson 这节课很难 very difficult 很难。我不懂 懂 is to understand something, so 我不懂我不明白我不懂 I don't understand. 这节课很难我不懂。Next one, the teacher teaches the lesson very seriously. 老师教的很认真。老师 teacher 教 no 教 first one 教 to teach someone. As you can see, to teach 教老师教 and 教 how does he teach? The 很认真 is serious, but we need to say seriously, so we use the. 老师教的很认真 seriously. Next word, 帮助 to help, assistance. It could be verb, it could be noun. Let's see. He helps me with my homework. 他帮助我写作业。他帮助 he helps me 他帮助我写 to write 作业my homework or to do my homework, write my homework or just my homework. 他帮助我写作业 homework. Next one, I need your help. 我需要你的帮助。我需要 I need I very need I like 我需要just need 我需要你的帮助 Here is noun 你的帮助 我需要你的帮助. I need your help. Next one, my older brother helps me to learn Chinese. 哥哥帮助我学汉语。哥哥 older brother 帮助我 helps me to do what? 学 to learn 汉语 Chinese language. 汉语 It's also pretty simple. 哥哥帮助我学汉语 Chinese. Next one, the teacher helps students solve problems. 老师帮助学生. Next one, the teacher helps students solve problems. 老师帮助学生解决问题. 老师 teacher 帮助 help 学生 students, like you say 学生, and it's a bit advanced word. 解决 to solve something. 解决 to solve, for example, problems. 解决问题 some questions, some problems. 老师帮助学生解决问题. Next one, it's pretty interesting. It's 别 don't. 别, for example, because we know 不, for example, I don't like to do something. 我不喜欢做什么的. But 别 it's don't for other people. Like don't need to do it. Don't need to help me. Don't drink. As like when you say with you. Also only with you. You cannot with he, she, you cannot say 别. Only with you. So let's see. Don't talk. Class has started. 别说话。上课了。别说话 to talk. 说话 to speak the speech. 别说话。上课了。Class started. For example, another. Don't leave. I have something to tell you. 别走。我有事告诉你。别走 don't leave. 别走 don't need. Here's 走 it's to walk, but here's to leave. 别走 don't leave. 我有 I have 是我有事 it could be 水晶 or just 是 thing 是我有事 I have a thing 告诉你 to tell you 告诉你别走我有事告诉你 Next one, don't play with your phone. Eat quickly. 别玩手机，快吃饭。别玩 don't play 别玩手机 mobile phone or phone. So don't play your phone. Don't spend time with your phone. 别玩手机 It not only play, it could be used for social media, used for something else. So just spend time with the phone. 别玩手机，快吃饭。Quickly, eat quickly or fast eat. 吃饭，快吃饭。Quickly eat food. 别玩手机，快吃饭。Next one, don't forget to bring your book. 别忘了带书。别忘了 As you can see, 忘 to forget something. 忘 So 别忘了 don't forget. 带书带 not 带 it's to bring something. So 别忘了带书 don't forget to bring your book. Just book. 带书别忘了带书 don't forget. Next word, it's Google. Google, it's elder brother. Google. Let's see. My older brother is very tall. 我的哥哥很高。我的哥哥很高。My older brother is very tall. 很高。Also could be 我哥哥，没有的，without the just 我哥哥，我的哥哥都可以。Both is okay. My older brother fixes my phone for me. 哥哥帮我修手机。It's also a bit advanced word. 修 to fix something. Let's see. 哥哥帮我 my brother helped me. 修 to fix 手机 my phone. 哥哥帮我修手机 to fix my phone. Next one. My older brother works at the company. 哥哥在公司上班。哥哥在公司 my brother at company 公司上班 it could be to go to work, it could be to start to work, or could be just to work. 哥哥在公司上班。Next one, I play with my older brother. 我跟哥哥一起玩。As you can see, it's a new word. 跟 with someone. 跟 For example, with your help, with your friend, with me. 我跟哥哥 I with brother. 我跟哥哥一起 together 一起玩 to play. So I play with my older brother. 我跟哥哥一起玩一起玩。Next word. 正在 just at the time. Or could be right now. Also could be right now. Also just could be represent present continuous. 正在 because we know 在 it's also one of the meaning. For example, 我在打电话 I'm calling right now. I'm speaking right now on the phone. So 正在 also could be just extension version of 在 For example, 我正在说跟你 I'm not right now speaking with you. Let's see. I'm eating lunch right now. 我正在吃午饭。我正在吃午饭。You also could say 我在吃午饭。Also could say, but here is for emphasizing that's it right now. 我正在吃午饭。午饭 lunch. Next one, he's washing clothes right now. 他正在洗衣服。他正在 right now. It's a bit. Here's one of. 正在 This guy is not. It's error here. So this one is you don't need to use. He's washing clothes right now. Let's remove this one. He's washing clothes right now. 他正在洗衣服。洗 to wash, for example, to wash plates, to wash clothes, and clothes 衣服。他正在洗衣服。He's washing clothes right now. Right now, washing clothes. Next one, we are in class right now. Don't talk. 我们正在上课。我们正在上课，别说话。We right now 上课 at the class. 我们正在上课。Right now we're in the class. 别说话，别说话。Don't talk. 别说话。 So here is 上课. It's like we're in the process of learning. We're in the lesson. 我们正在上课，别说话，弄懂。And next one, my older brother is playing with his phone right now. 哥哥正在玩手机。哥哥正在 right now 正在哥哥正在玩手机。Brother playing right now on the phone 玩手机。I think it's okay. And last word for today, 洗 to wash something. 洗 let's see. I will rest after washing the dishes. 我洗完就休息。It's a bit tricky here. Let's see. Here is one. It's bowl, dishes, something you put food in. So one, it's a bowl. For example, bowl of rice. One. It also could be a measure word for something. But let's see. And here is a first one. Here is a second one. One to finish something. For example, to finish wash. 洗碗 and 休息 to rest. 休息。我洗碗 I wash finish. So when I finish my wash, 碗洗碗洗碗碗洗碗碗 As you can see, I finished to wash bowl dishes. So 我洗碗碗 here's bowl. 休息 here's then. Right after this could be translated 休息 to rest. So 我洗完碗就休息。Next one, she's washing clothes and very busy. 她在洗衣服，很忙。Here is 在 it could also be 正在，她正在洗衣服 to wash clothes. 很忙 very busy 很忙。I help mom wash the watermelon. 我帮妈妈洗西瓜。我帮 I help 妈妈 my mom 洗 to wash watermelon 西瓜。我帮妈妈洗西瓜。And last one for today, he eats after washing his hands. 他洗手后吃饭。He washing hands. 他洗手后 after this 吃饭 eat food. So 后他洗手后吃饭。Or could be 他洗手后吃饭。Also 他洗手后吃饭 eat food. So let's repeat words from this lesson. First one, 课 lesson 课. Next one, 帮助 to help or assistance.别 don't do something, don't drink. 别 Google elder brother or older brother. Google. Next one, 正在 it's just like 在 but 正在 just at the time, right now, at this moment. 洗 to wash 洗 and that's all also from this previous lesson, also this one. So see you in the next lesson and see you.